Hello friends, in this session of application of derivative, we will study about rate of change of quantities. So in physics you all have studied ds upon dt, which shows that the changes of distance with respect to time. You all have applied the dv upon dt, which shows that the velocity changes with respect to time. And so here distance differentiation with respect to time gives us distance changes, velocity differentiation with respect to time gives us changes in the velocity. Same way, if we write dy by dx, which represents variable y changes with respect to x, we write dx by dy, which represent variable x changes with respect to y variable. So now we will write dy by dx at x equals to x0, means at x0 point the change of y with respect to x. Now suppose x is a function of t variable and y is a function of t variable, then x changes with respect to t, we can write dx by dt, and y changes with respect to, we can write dy by dt. Also we know that dy by dx, y respect to change with x, we can get dy by dt upon dx by dt. And so we can write it dy by dx into dx by dt equals to dy by dt. And so y with respect to t we want, then we can take it dy by dx into dx by dt. Let's we see some examples. So here example 1 is given to us, that find the rate of change of area with respect to radius. So area of circle, so area changes with respect to circle we have to find out. So if we write area equals to a and radius equals to r, then we have to find out dA by dr. Now r is given 5 centimeter and dA by dr we have to calculate. So we know that a equals to pi r square for the area of the circle, and so dA by dr equals to 2 pi r. So r value 5 we submit, then 2 pi into 5, which will be 10 pi, and so answer is the 10 pi. Now we are given the volume of cube increasing at the rate of 9 cubic centimeters. So we take that volume equals to V, volume of cube equals to V we take, and length of, or we take side length equals to x. Then here how fast surface area increasing when the length of edge is 10 centimeter. So your volume dV by dt is given with respect to time variation is given 9 centimeter cube per second, and surface area means dA by dt we have to calculate, where A is the area of. So your volume of cube we know that it is x cube, and so dV by dt equals to 3x square dx by dt. And so we submit 9, then 9 equals to 3x square dx by dt, and so dx by dt value will be 9 by 3x square, which is 3 by x square. So now volume of area of cuboid we know that A equals to 6x square. So dA by dt we will have 12x dx by dt. So value we submit, then 12x into 3 by x square. So 1x will cancel and 36 by x. Now x value is given 10. So 36 by 10 which shows there 3.6 centimeter square per second. Now question 3 is given. A stone in the well, a stone is deep, then circular waves are produced, that we know. Then the circular waves moves in a circle 4 centimeter per second. So from here to here in 1 second it increases 4 centimeter, and so dr by dt is given 4 centimeter per second, and it is given find the area increase. So dA by dt we have to calculate. So here area of circle formula is there, pi r square, and so with respect to time we take the differentiation, then dA by dt equals to 2 pi r dr by dt. Now r is given 10 centimeter. So we submit the value, then 2 pi into 10 dr by dt means 4, and so 4 times the 40 to the 80 pi centimeter square per second. Now example 4 we have the length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per minute. So the length is decreasing given with the time. So dx upon dt when decreasing is there, we will take negative value, minus 3 centimeter per minute is given, and the width increasing. So width y is given dy by dt, and that is increasing with 2 centimeter per minute. Now x is equals to 10 and y is equals to 6 centimeter. And find the rate of change of parameter. So we know that parameter of rectangle equals to 2 into x plus y. So with respect to time we take the differentiation, then dp by dt is equals to 2 dx by dt plus dy by dt, and so it is 2 into minus 3 plus 2, and so which 2 into minus 1 minus 2 centimeter per minute. So we can say that parameter decreases at the minus 2 centimeter per minute rate. Now for the area, so area equals to length into breadth means x into y. So dA by dt equals to x as it is dy by dt plus y as it is dx by dt. So we submit the value 10 into 2 plus 6 into minus 3, and so it is 20 minus 18 which gives 2 centimeter square per minute. So area increases at 2 centimeter square per minute. Now here it is given the total cost in rupees associated with production units. The cost function is given Cx equals to 0.005 x cube minus 0.002 x square plus 30x plus 5000. Now find the marginal cost when 3 units are produced. So x is the number of production unit, then x equals to 3 given. Where marginal cost we mean the instantaneous rate of change of total cost at any level of output. So C differentiation with respect to x we do, then dc by dx we have to calculate. So 3 into 0.005 it will be 0.015 x square minus 2 into 0.02 it will be 0.04 x plus 30, and 5000 differentiation is the 0. Now x value is given 3, so we submit it, and 0.015 into 3 square dc by dx, x equals to 3 we calculate, 0.04 into 3 plus 30, and so we can write 0.015 into 9, which is 135, minus 0.12 plus 30, and so 135 minus 12, it will be 0.015 plus 30, and so answer will be 30.015, which is approximately 30.02 unit. Now, sixth example, we have the total revenue in rupees is received from the sale of X units of product. The revenue function is given by Rx is equals to, where X is the number of product, 3x square plus 36x plus 5. Find the marginal revenue. Marginal revenue means R differentiation with respect to X we have to calculate. For that it is given when x equals to 5. Okay. So marginal revenue means revenue differentiation with respect to x, and x is equals to 5 units is given. So dr by dx we take, then it is 3x square differentiation is the 6x, and 36x differentiation 36, and 5 differentiation 0. Now dr by dx, x equals to 5 we take, then 6 into 5 plus 36, and so it is 30 plus 36, which gives 66 units.